can I ask you, if you would please, to subscribe to the MAG YouTube channel. That's the Motorcycle Action Group YouTube channel. MAG are campaigners on our behalf to ensure basically that our rights and entitlements are protected. And if you can actually join MAG itself, subscribe to MAG and become a member, then you'll be doing your bit to help them with their various campaigns. The latest video on that channel is excellent. It's from Colin Brown, I believe his title is the campaigns manager. And he explains in great detail and with great clarity why it is that we will probably never adopt electric motorcycles in the way that electric cars have been adopted. And cars haven't done right cracking, to be fair, have they? But it's a very, very interesting comparison he draws with Norway, of all places. So I won't steal his thunder. Please go have a look at that video. It's the first link you will come to in the description below, the MAG YouTube channel. Please give them your support. I've spoken to Colin, and we intend in the future doing a podcast style question and answer session. So please, if you have any questions you would like me to put to MAG about their campaigns, what they're doing, what's important, what progress they're making, how they plan to deal with all the issues which stand to present themselves to us as motorcyclists in the future, then please drop me an email to thebingleywheeler@gmail.com. thebingleywheeler@gmail.com. If you have any questions you would like me to ask the Motorcycle Action Group, to ask Colin, then pass those questions on to me via thebingleywheeler@gmail.com. And when we get round to meeting up and having that discussion, I'll ensure that your questions are put to him.